The Titles and Responsibilities form connects the names of companies from the company profile with the names of people from the people profile. The result is titles and responsibilities held by each person in each company. The names of people from the people profile are listed on the right side of this form, and the names of companies are in the tabs across the top of the form. By clicking on a company tab and a person's name, you can view the titles and responsibilities that that person holds in the selected company. If a person's name does not appear in the list on the right side of the form, it's because the person was not marked as being associated with that company on the people profile. Just return to the people profile, select the person's name in the list, and mark the company association in the list in the lower left. When you return to the Titles and Responsibilities form, the person's name appears in the people list. Click each company tab and select each person's name. Then mark the offices held, including whether the person is a director or shareholder. In an LLC, include whether the person's a manager or a member. A warning may appear to let you know that according to the application's owner register, the person is not an owner. We want to see how being listed as an owner impacts other areas of the application, so just click the OK button. When you mark an office that's held by a person, the salary and date of office box appears. Fill in the information. Designating a person as an officer or as a manager in an LLC usually requires a resolution. The appropriate resolutions are included on the Create Documents form. The authorities and responsibilities listed below the officers also require resolutions, and they are included on the Create Documents form. All of the checkboxes have an effect on titles that appear in other areas of the application. For example, if the director's box is marked, the person's name will appear in the attendance list for the director's meetings. If a person's name is identified as a shareholder, the name will appear in the attendance list on the shareholder meeting form. Names also appear automatically in resolutions, meeting minutes, announcements, proxies, and other documents. If you have the need to track information for one person related to just one company, you can use the Notes area. This concludes the tutorial for the Titles and Responsibilities form.